Good morning, my little stars. Welcome back to school. Hope you all enjoy your vacation nicely, isn't it, children? Good. Welcome to today's Hindi class. Today is Sunday and the day is 9-8-20. 8 means August. It is the month of August. So today is 9th August 2020. Children, as we all know, nowadays we are learning Hindi Vyanjans. What we are learning, children? Hindi Vyanjans. We have successfully completed our first line and 3 letters from the second line. So are you ready to repeat with me? Very good, children. Now repeat with me. Okay. First letter is yes, very good. Ka. Ka se kamal. Kha. Kha se खरगोश रैबिट ग ग से गमला पॉट घ घ से घर हाउस अंगा सेकेंड लाइन फर्स्ट लेटर इज चा चा से चम्मच स्पून छ छा से छतरी छाता अम्ब्रेला. Which letter is this, children? Yes, J. J से जहाज. Can you see, children? J. J से जहाज. Have you remembered till J we have completed before vacation? No? Yes, very good, children. Our next letter is J. J से झंडा. Indian flag. Have you remembered? Yes, this is our Indian flag. In Hindi we call it झंडा. झ. Which letter is this, children? झ. झ से झंडा. Next is इया. Which letter is this, children? इया. Very good. Okay. Now once more repeat with me. क ख ग घ अंगा च छ ज झ इया. Very good. So children, here is a one quick recap through one video. Okay, all of you please repeat with it. Okay children? Good children, very good. So here it is.
का स्वागत है. नमस्ते प्यारे बच्चों. आज हम हिंदी व्यंजन गाना सीखेंगे. आओ शुरू करें. क से कबूतर क ख ख काला कबूतर क क क ख से खरगोश ख ख ख खुश है खरगोश ख ख ख ग से गमला ग ग ग गोल गमला ग ग ग ख से घर ख ख ख देखो मेरा घर. च से चम्मच च च च चांदी का चम्मच च च च छ से छाता छ छ छ छोटा छाता छ छ छ ज से जहाज ज ज ज जामुनी जहाज ज ज ज छ से झंडा छ छ छ ये है भारत का झंडा.
Children, have you remember what is this? This is a letter cha. Which letter is this, children? Cha. Cha से चरखा. cha से चरखा. cha से चप्पल. cha से चप्पल. cha से चम्मच. Very good, children. And cha से चांद. Please repeat with me once more. चा. 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 से चांद. चा से चरखा. च से चप्पल, च से चम्मच. Very good. Now which letter is this, children? Yes, this is छ. छ से छत्ता, छ से छलनी, छ से छतरी, छ से छड़ी. Which letter is this, children? Yes, very good. You all remember it. J. J से जहाज. Can you see, children? J से जहाज. J से जामुन. J से जलेबी. J से जलेबी. J से जहाज. J से जामुन. J से जलेबी. Very good, children. Good, children. You all remember it. Superb. So, children, today, do you know, we have to write in notebook. Where we have to write, children? In notebook. Okay? So, please, all of you take out your notebook. Today, we are going to revise 3 letters. Cha, Cha and Cha. So, first, take out Hindi notebook, and you all know what we will write first. First we will write C dot W, and what is the date today, children? Today's date is 9-8-20, and here you will write revision. 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 So, children, please draw these 2 lines in your Hindi notebook with the help of your mama. Okay? Now look here. We are going to write 3 letters. Which 3 letters? Cha, Cha and Cha. Look how to write Cha. Okay, children, look here. See, in notebook we have 1, 2, 3 line. Keep your pencil. First we will write Cha. So first we will keep our pencil little bit up from the second line. First we will give slipping line. Then we have to make turn down, but we will not touch the third line. We will come till here. Then standing line. Cha. Which letter is this, children? Cha. Okay. Next one is Cha. See, pencil on the red line. Make a right turn. One more turn. Touch the black line. We will come little bit up and loop. Standing line and a small slipping line. Okay, children, which letter is this? This is Cha. And one more Ja. Standing line between 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Then we will do slipping line. We will do, okay, little bit up from the black line. Small slipping line, and we will do we will come down, turn, make a curve and come till here, and a slipping line. Which letter is this, children? Ja. Ja se jahaz. Ja se jahaz. Okay, now once more see. Okay, children, see. 1, 2. Pencil little bit up from the second line. It is slipping line. We will come down. Okay, come down. Don't touch the third black line, and we will make curve, and we will touch the slipping line, standing line, and a slipping line. Cha. Then Cha. We will make a right curve. One more right curve touching the down black line, and we will go little bit up from the first black line and make a loop. Small standing line and a small slipping line on my standing line. Okay, and Last letter is another one is ja. Standing line and slipping line little bit up from the black line, and we will come down, make a curve touching the black line, and we will go up, touch the first black line and a slipping line. Ja. Which letter is this, children? Ja. So children, like this, please complete today's class work. Today is revision. Cha, cha and ja. Cha, cha से चम्मच, छा से छतरी, जा से जहाज. Very good children, very good. Thank you children. We will meet soon inshallah. Bye.